2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, air conditioning, front, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, trip computer, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, trailer hitch receiver. This vehicle qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.